Hello students, welcome back. Students, we read in previous session that young Amrita was very fond of trees and she considered them as her friends. Now let us read the story further. Trees in danger. Time went by. Amrita was now grown up. One day, she went to greet her trees. She saw that there were some strangers in her village. They had axes with them. Axes mean tools for cutting trees. They said that the king had sent them to cut trees for wood. The wood was needed for building the king's palace. Students, the name of king was Abhay Singh of Mewar. Amrita was shocked. She went to the tree that the men were about to cut. She put her arms around the tree and hugged it tightly. The men shouted and threatened her. But Amrita did not let go of the tree. Amrita stated that the Khejari tree was sacred to the Vishnuis, and her faith prohibited her for allowing the tree to be cut down. Here you can see Amrita with her daughters were trying to save her friend trees. The king's men had to follow his order. They had to cut the tree. On seeing this, Amrita's daughters and hundreds of villagers, old and young, hugged the trees to protect them. Many people, including Amrita and her daughters, died to save the trees. Students, 363 Bishnois were killed while protecting the trees. When the king heard of this, he could not believe that people gave up their lives for trees. He visited the village himself. There he learned about villagers' respect for trees and animals. Here you can see the brave people of village, those were ready to sacrifice their lives for saving trees. The village is protected. The king of Mewar was surprised to see the reaction of the villagers. The villagers' strong feelings for trees affected the king greatly. He ordered that from then on, no tree would be cut and no animal harmed in that area. Even today, almost 300 years later, the people of this area, called Bishnois, continue to protect plants and animals. Even though in the middle of the desert, this area is green and animals roam freely without fear. Students, Amrita Devi Bishnoi belonged to Bishnoi community. The Bishnois community is called the protector of wildlife and environment in western Rajasthan. Trees and animals are considered to be sacred by the Bishnois. The Bishnois of Rajasthan follow the principle of conserving nature. All in the community, including women and children, consider it their duty to protect the forest and animals from poachers. Bishnoi community plays an active role in the setting up of rescue centers for injured animals in villages of Rajasthan. Main principle of Bishnoi community is to protect trees and animals. Children, by following the principle of conserving nature, the area around the village is still green in middle of the Thar desert. You can see deer, blackbucks, cranes, chinkaras roaming freely in that area as Bishnois worship these animals and never hurt them. Hunting is strictly prohibited in this area. Children, I am sure you know the reasons why people kill innocent animals. Yes, for their skin, tusks, horns, and for fun. Children, what do you think? Is it right to kill these innocent animals just for their skin, tusks, horns, or for fun? No, kids, you know people get punishment for killing animals, and our government has set up laws against poaching. Poaching means illegal hunting. The Indian Wildlife Protection Act was passed by the government in 1972 for the protection of plants and animal species. The act banned hunting and poaching of animals and provided legal protection to their habitats. National parks and sanctuaries are set up to protect animals and forest. Kids, trees and animals are essential part of our ecosystem. To save our earth, we must come forward to save our environment. Students, I hope you all must have understood how important it is for us to protect the trees and animals. Now it is homework time. Filling the blanks. Khejadli village is near Dash in Rajasthan. Dash can survive without us what we cannot survive without them. The dash was needed for building the king's palace. The people of village are called dash. Kids, from this story we learned that if we save our environment, we will save our life and future. Bye bye.